Thanks to Ben Collins for the idea for this tutorial about histograms in sheets. Even with 100 rows of data, histograms give us a visual representation of the distribution of the data. The first step is to click to select the column of data. This tutorial will show you two ways to create a histogram. To start the first way, with the column selected, click Data. Click Column Stats. Click Distribution. That's it for the first way. This is good for a quick visualization of the data's distribution, but when you right-click in the histogram, you'll see that it cannot be copied to use somewhere else. Click the X to close this chart. Here's a second way to create a histogram that you can use or share somewhere else. Click to select the column of data. Click Insert. Click Chart. Click the down arrow under Chart Type. Scroll, and click Histogram Chart. Click Customize. Click Histogram. Click the down arrow under Bucket Size. Click your choice of bucket size. Click the X to close the chart editor. Select the chart, and click the three-dot options menu. Here's where you can edit, download, or copy the chart to use elsewhere. Let's just move the chart off of our data before we close the sheet. With your mouse, click and drag the chart, then drop it off of the data area. That's it, you're done. Thank you, Ben Collins, for another Google Sheets inspiration. To see how to use a pivot table to adjust your histogram, click here to check out this iorad tutorial.